back to my channel. My name is Meah and you're watching Mama Meah. Today I am going to be washing my daughter's hair, and as you can see, her braids are very old. I always get asked about her wash day routine, so that's what I'm going to show you guys today, and also how I keep her hair moisturized in these colder months that's approaching. So with taking her braids out, I'm using Just For Me hair detangler. Her hair tangles very easily. Meah has extremely soft hair. I've never experienced a hair texture like hers. I don't even know the number. So if you guys see her hair once it's wet and curly, and you guys see her hair and know her hair texture, please comment below, because I have no clue what hair texture this is. It's pretty much like, I don't know, all I can explain it is like cotton. I've never touched anything this soft before. But yeah, her hair tangles really easily, especially with her having braided hair in her hair. So Just For Me hair detangler helps me take her braids down, and it makes it a little more manageable. Before I wash her hair, I always wet it and comb it out, because if I just put it under water and try to just wash it, it tangles up really bad, and that's when the tears start. So I figured out a way to kind of make it a little easier. Now I'm using Aveeno Baby Wash 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I love this shampoo because it feels like it moisturizes as I wash. Meah loves getting her hair washed. She's been getting her hair washed since she was a baby, of course. And she will sit in the bathtub all day and just let me wash her hair. Because she recently had braids for about 2 or 3 weeks, it has a lot of product in it. So not only am I going to wash her hair twice, I'm going to make sure that I get in really good in the scalp and get all that product and buildup and dirt out of her hair. about her shampoo. It's a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I always condition her hair after. I use Shea Moisture Mango and Carrot Kids. It makes her hair so soft and it smells very good. It's sulfate free and her hair reacts very well to this conditioner. I let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes depending how long she wants to play in the tub. And once I'm done, I rinse it out. Now I take essential oils and put it all throughout her scalp. I then give her a scalp massage just to get her blood flowing a little bit better. Meah has a really bad eczema and it hit her scalp when she was about 2 years old. Her hair started falling out, it started thinning. The back of her hair was really bad. So if you've noticed, her hair is very uneven. But I started using this oil and I realized how it kind of treated the eczema and how well her hair reacted to it. And so whenever I do anything involving her hair, I always make sure that I oil her scalp with the oil first. So now I'm going to do a quick little style for you guys, just to last a couple days until I'm ready to give her braids for Thanksgiving. And you guys already know I can't part, so I don't want to hear anything about that, okay? The part is crooked, I know. Hey, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, please like, comment, and subscribe. I make hair videos all the time, so feel free to go ahead and hop on my channel and look at previous hair videos, and make sure you press the notification bell because more hair videos are on the way. And although these rubber bands look tight, because you guys are always pressing me about the rubber bands, trust me, they're not tight at all. Her hair is just very slick. And I do put oil on the rubber bands just like I do with my hair before I apply them to her hair. that's it. That's her wash day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I answered any questions that you guys have. If you don't, just feel free to comment or message me, whatever you guys like. But yeah, Meah says bye and thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.